What's up guys, welcome once again to HintFloow. My name is Michael Amo, and in this video I am going to show you 5 tips and tricks you should use to improve upon your productivity on your Chrome browser. How have you been using your Chrome browser? Because not knowing certain tips and tricks could actually make you spend more time than you should. But after watching this video, you'll be able to do more stuffs in a short period of time. So let's not waste much time, let's get right into the video. This is by pinning your frequently used website on your Chrome browser, so that whenever you come to your Chrome browser, you wouldn't have to go to your history to search for a particular website or type it in the search URL. So first we have pinning your website to your Chrome browser. Let's say I have a website that I normally use. I do have a Skillshare website. Instead of always typing the website here in the search URL, all I will have to do is right click on it and click on pin. This way it's pinned on the Chrome browser. So whenever I close the Chrome browser and open it again, I still have it pinned on my Chrome browser. All I have to do is click on it and then it will open. Let's say you work in a company where you have to use a number of websites, but the only way you do that is by always opening these websites whenever you launch the Chrome browser. But this way, you will be able to launch the Chrome browser and all these websites will be already launched for you to use. All you have to do is go to the settings, click on Startup, and click on Open Specific Pages. Add a page and type in the URL. The best way to do it is, let's say you open a number of pages. First is YouTube, second is Skillshare, third is LinkedIn. If you are going to use all these 3 apps whenever you open your browser, the best way to do is click on Use Current Pages. So it will open the current pages on here. So when you close the web browser and you open it again, as you can see, the sites are still there. It will open automatically for you without you opening them manually. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon beside it. This will actually notify you whenever I release a new video. There are a number of websites you can download as an app and launch it from your computer. One is the YouTube website. When I open YouTube, I'll see an icon on the URL search bar. It says Install YouTube. By clicking on it, I'll be able to install YouTube onto my computer. As you can see, this is YouTube. So when I go to my Launchpad, I'll see YouTube here. When I click on it, YouTube will launch. So there are a number of websites you can actually download and use it as an app. YouTube is one of them. So basically, if you launch a website and you see something like this, you'll be able to download the website and use it as an app. Next is saving a number of frequently used websites as a group in your bookmark. Another way to organize your web browser is by grouping your frequently used websites in a folder. Let's say I have a number of websites I use. I could save them in a folder like this. Click on the Command D on your keyboard and click on More. Create a new folder and name it whatever name you want to name it. I'm going to name mine Productivity. And click on Save. As you can see, the Productivity folder is here. you can save this website by clicking Command D and clicking and choosing the folder which is productivity, clicking on done. This will save this website in the productivity folder. Now let's do it for another one. You could click on Command D, choose the productive folder and click it done. As you can see, these two websites have been saved in this folder. So this will allow you to organize the bookmarked websites on your Chrome browser so that you won't be left with something like this. Last but not the least is to use an extension. Chrome browser has a plethora of extensions you could use to improve upon your productivity, one of which is the Text Blaze. So Text Blaze is going to be useful more to people who normally do works that involves them sending messages or emails to a number of their clients. So add it to your Chrome browser by clicking on download extension, add it to Chrome, add extension, sign in, once you have signed in, you will be directed to their dashboard. So this is how it works. Let's say you are going to type a message for someone. Instead of typing a lot of things, you can type your backslash and a keyword. Let's say you are going to send a message to someone. Instead of typing a lot of things, you could actually use a snippet which you could actually use to import some things you've already typed in your Text Blaze dashboard. So by using the backslash and style, it will generate this snippet for you to use so that you won't have to type everything at fresh. So this is how we are going to do it. Go to the Text Blaze dashboard, create a snippet by clicking on the plus sign and give it a name. Let's say, give it a shortcut. So this shortcut is what you are going to type in your Gmail or in any of your mails to generate what you have typed under it. So I'm going to say something like GUD and then type what I want to generate once I type the shortcut. So I want to show something like this when I type GUD. So when I go to my mail, instead of going to copy and paste it every time I want to send that same message to a number of people, all I had to do is type the backslash and GUD and the words will be generated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. See you guys.